Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can turn your Facebook profile into a page. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching the video, and also be sure to put likes under the video. So friends, let's get you and me started. And please open the Facebook app on your device. And then you need to go to your page. And as you can see, when you open your Facebook profile, you can tell that it's a profile and not a page, for example, by the number of friends you have. And they won't be signed as followers, but as friends. So how can you turn your profile into a page? To do this, please click on these three dots. Then select Switch to Professional Mode. And then continue. You will need to wait a few seconds for everything to load. After that, you will be taken to a page like this. And this is where you just need to click Next on all the items. Now you can go back. As you can see, now my profile has turned into a page. This is immediately visible because now it writes not the number of friends, but the number of followers. This way you can tell that you already have a professional page. This is the way very fast, friends. You can easily turn your Facebook profile into a page. I hope you found this video useful, that it helped you friends. Please don't forget to put your likes under this video and subscribe to our channel. See you, friends.